In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about median. Now, let's see the first question. The following table shows classification of number of hours they work in a software company. Find the median of the number of hours they work. So, in this case, we are talking about the workers and number of hours they work in a company. So, our first column will be CI, that is class interval. In this case, we are talking about number of hours. Now, the first class is 8 to 10, second 10 to 12, third 12 to 14, and last one is 14 to 16. Now, let's first see the classes. So, in this case, the classes are continuous. Now, what do we mean by continuous classes? The number at which first class ends is 10 and the number at which second class starts is also 10. So, we can say that the classes are continuous. If the classes are not continuous, students should make those classes continuous, which we will see in the second example. Now, second column will be number of workers, that is f of I. Now, what is the first? 150, second number 500, third 300, and last is 50. Now, in median, we will see one new column. Already we have seen the concept of cumulative frequency in 9th standard. In median, our third column will be less than cumulative frequency. Less than cumulative frequency. Now, let's see how to prepare this column. So, the first value of f of I is 150. Write it as it is. 150. Now add first two values, that is 150 plus 500, 650. Add first three values, 650 plus 300 is 950. Addition of all the values 1000. Now this our last value is our n. So here what is the value of n? N is equal to 1000. Now first find the value of n upon 2, that is equal to 1000 upon 2, that is equal to 500. So you got the value of n by 2 is equal to 500. Now see the column of less than CF. There is no value of 500. So go for the first number which is bigger than 500. So in this case it is 650. Make a box. Now again I am repeating it. In this case we got the value of n is equal to 1000. So our n by 2 is equal to 500. Check the column of less than CF. Go for the value of 500. Here we are not having any value 500. So go for the first number which is bigger than 500. So in this case the first number bigger than 500 is 650. So draw a box. Now let's see the different symbols. First is L. Now this is our L, that is equal to 10. Second is C of F. Our this value will be C of F. So CF is equal to 150 and our this value is F. So F is equal to 500. Now let's revise what we have seen. In today's lecture we are seeing the concept of median. First we wrote the column of CI, class interval. Number 2, number of workers, f of I. Third, the third column which we made is less than CF, that is less than cumulative frequency. How to prepare this column? Write the first value as it is, add first 2, 650, first 3, 950. Add all, you got the answer 1000. That is our n. Now after getting the value of n, find the value of n upon 2. We got the answer 500. Check the column of less than CF. Compulsory concentrate on the last column. Here there is no number 500. So go for the first number which is bigger than 500. So it is 650. So we got our median class. This is our median class. Now 10 to 12, what is the lower limit? 10. So our value of L is equal to 10. Now the box has been made for the class 10 to 12. Take one value before 650, that is 150. So we got the value of CF 150, and the frequency of the class 10 to 12 is 500. So our F is equal to 500. And last H. H is nothing but interval of differencing. Now 8 to 10, 10 to 12, the difference is of 2. So our H is equal to 2. Now let's see the formula of median. Now formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F multiplied by H. Again I am repeating the formula. The formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. Substitute the values. Value of L is 10 plus value of n by 2 is 500 minus value of CF is 150. Again value of F is 500 and value of H is 2. Now students make one mistake in this step. They directly cancel 500 and 500, which is wrong. Since there is subtraction, first subtract both the numbers. So we will get 10 plus 500 minus 150 is 350 upon 500 into 2. That is equal to 10 plus 350 into 2, 700 upon 500. Both the zeros cancel. 10 plus 7 upon 5 is 1.4. That is equal to 11.4. Find the median of the number of workers. Therefore, median of the number of hours they work is 11.4. So where is the sum? Only in first case the student should remember the formula. The formula is median is equal to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. From the table we saw how to take the value of L, how to take the value of CF, how to take the value of F, and how to take the value of H.